That's why we broke up in the first place. 'Cause
Oh, I want you to know that I